Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Fliki login issues. First, make sure to open the Fliki app. Now within the welcome stream, you must use the same login method used during the sign up. Here you will get options like Google, Apple ID or email. Using a different methods may also cause login failures. Also make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If it does not, you can just switch to a stronger Wi-Fi or mobile connection and try logging it again. Or you can just close the Fliki app completely and again reopen it. Then try login it again, which may fix many temporary login glitches. Sometimes there may be update available for the app within the Play Store or App Store. Please check out and then update it, because an outdated app version may also cause the login issues. So if you are logging in with the email, you can just tap on the email option and make sure that you enter the valid email address and tap on the next. Also make sure to check for the extra spaces and ensure that the correct password is entered. Remember that the Fliki app may not always show a forget password option. Password reset is usually done through the web version. If the app login fails, you can just open our browser and log in the Fliki website. If login works on the web, return to the app and try again. If the login still does not work, you can just clear the app cache or uninstall and again reinstall the Fliki app, and that's it. This is the steps that you can follow to fix most of the Fliki login issues. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.